Disclaimer: this video is made for entertainment purpose, so please don't take it seriously and hint. Thank you. JK, Vayan baby is crying. Vayan, then what should I do, huh? JK, I'm just telling you, why are you talking to me very rudely, huh? Vayan, because today you are at home. So please take care of our baby, angrily. Van, you're laughing at yourself. JK, hey, no way. Van, why, huh? Jungkook, he is your son, okay? JK, I know Vayan, but I can't. Van, okay, so tell me, for feed him, when he will start crying. JK, he is crying right now too. Van, oh hello, this time he is crying because he want to play with his dad, but his dad is the most busy person. JK, oh please, now you don't start again. Van, fake smile. Van, you came to him, I'm sat beside him. JK, what happened? Van, you are going to do a best job, sir. Proudly. Van, JK, rolling his eyes. You tapped his shoulder proudly. Van, your eyes get widened. Van, oh god, bye bye. You immediately run from there. JK, so hello, sir, how are you? Baby, suddenly he stared at his dad. JK, hey, he laughed. JK, attitude, good, good. By the way, you are very handsome, my son, because you are my son. Smiling. JK, you know what? I want you to be like me because every girl has a crush on me. Baby, your baby started smiling so much. JK, yeah, yeah, that's why. In his own broken language. JK, oh my god. JK, what a cute baby I have while looking at his son. Or your baby is making cute, cute faces. JK, my heart is melting. Really, you are very precious for me, my son. Your son is only 3 months old. Van, it's been 2 hours. What are they doing? You think in your mind. Anyway, I don't care because it's first time he is spending time with his son in these 3 months. Let them enjoy Vayan, you said in your mind, and you smiled at yourself. Van, oh, they are looking so cute together. Two precious person in one frame while making their videos. JK, let's boxing. He hold his son's little hand and started boxing. Son, he started laughing. Vine, you started laughing at them. Jimin, what are you doing here, huh? While standing behind you. Mom, what happened, Vine? Mom, look at them happily. Mom, OMG, she gets happy so much. Jimin, hey, now it's my turn to play with my nephew. JK, what? No way. JK, bro, please let me spend time with my son. Jimin, he rolled his eyes. JK, oh, Jimin, oh, he laughed at his brother. Van, what a day. I didn't spend my time with my own son. They are not giving me. You are cooking. JK, while coming to you. Van, what? JK. Seems like our son is hungry. Van, really? JK. Hmm. How? He is looking very tired. One, give him to me. JK, okay, he gave his son to you. One, missed you, my son. JK, but he was with us, even you missed him. One, I didn't get chance to spend time with my angel. JK, oh yeah, he is looking at you. One, you guys are my everything, you know. One, you smiled at him. One, you look at him. Thank you so much for giving me this angel because I started living more happy. Thank you. JK, today I realized that why child is very important for us. Feeling happy. When, yeah, hey, wait, something is burning, right? JK, yeah, when your eyes get widen. Oh no, Jungkook, I was cooking, right? Let me go. Wait for a minute, okay? JK, hey, no, stay here, scolding you. Van Jungkook, raising your eyes sadly. JK, let me tell mom. She will see. He started calling. JK, mom, please go to the kitchen. Mom, where is Vayan? JK, that's why I'm not letting her to go to the downstairs. Mom, okay, I'm going, don't worry. Vayan, Jungkook, it's my responsibility. JK, I know, but look, seems like our son is about to sleep. Vayan, Vayan, you smiled at him. JK, cute. Vayan, you are getting old. You laughed. JK, you are too auntie. Vayan, Jungkook, what did you say? Huh? Your eyes get widened. JK, auntie, he laughed. Vayan, okay, so listen, you are a 70-year-old uncle, angrily. JK, yes, I am 70-year-old auntie of this 85-year-old auntie. Hehe. JK, he started laughing. Vayan, it's not funny, huh? You rolled your eyes. Vayan, love you so much. JK, more than you. Jimin, oh, hey, champ, let's disturb that uncle and auntie. He laughed. Jimin, sister in law, while coming to you guys. Vayan, he immediately looked away. Vayan, yes, brother. You fake smiled at him. JK, sorry, he chuckled. Jimin, what did you say? Jungkook, he shouted at him. Vayan, oh god. JK, why you always come in the perfect time, brother? Jimin, hey. Jimin fake laughed at his brother. Jimin, your son was crying so much that's why I came here. Understand? JK, oh really? Van, what an excuse. You laughed. JK, but he is looking very happy, right? Van, see him. Van, yes. Jimin, yes, because he wanted to see his mom and dad, that's why. He is looking very happy now. Jimin, okay, bye guys. Van, again, you are taking him with you? Jimin, yes. Jimin, what's your problem? Van, no, I don't have any problem smiling at him. JK, but I have a problem. Now please, give my son to me. Jimin, no way. JK, what a brother. If you want your son. Then please give me another niece and nephew. Smiling at you too. Jimin, let's go, my champ. Say bye to your mom, dad. Laughing at you too.